students, in last video we have solved some problems related to integration by substitution method. In this video also we are going to solve some problems related to integration by substitution method. Okay, so the problem is that integration of cos of 3x minus cos of 4x upon sin of 3x plus sin of 4x with respect to x. Okay students, so here by using the formula, that is cos c minus cos d, the formula is that is minus 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into sin of c minus d upon 2. Okay, and at denominator we have to use the formula, that is sin c plus sin d. The formula is that is 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into cos of c minus d upon 2. Okay students, so here at numerator cos of 3x minus cos of 4x, that is cos c minus cos d. C is 3x and d is 4x, and therefore this is equals to, that is integration of minus 2 sin c plus d means 3x plus 4x, that is 3x plus 4x upon 2 into sin of 3x minus 4x, that is 3x minus 4x upon 2. Okay, upon sin c plus sin d, the formula at denominator, that is 2 sin 3x plus 4x upon 2 into cos of c minus d, that is 3x minus 4x upon 2 whole with respect to x. And now this is equal to, this 2 get cancelled. Okay, that is sin of 7x upon 2 into sin of minus x upon 2. Okay, and upon this minus sign is as it is, sin of 7x upon 2 into sin of cos of minus x upon 2 with respect to x. Okay, this sin of 7x get cancelled, and now this is equal to sin of, we know that sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. By using the formula here, and sin of minus x by 2 is minus sin of x by 2 upon cos of minus theta equal to plus cos theta. Therefore this is equal to cos of x by 2 with respect to x. Okay, and now this minus sign, minus at the outside, minus and minus becomes plus, and this is equal to sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2, and that is equal to tan of x by 2 with respect to x. And now integration I equal to tan of x by 2, that is log of sec of x by 2, x by 2. And now differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus constant of integration c, and hence the integration is 2 into log of sec of x by 2 plus constant of integration c. This is the answer of given integration. Okay students, now the next problem is that evaluate the integral. The next problem is that evaluate the integration of cos of x upon sin of x minus a with respect to x integrate. Okay students, in this problem at the denominator there is sin of x minus a and at numerator the angle is x. So in such type of problem you have to adjust one thing. One thing means whatever is the angle at denominator we have to adjust the angle at numerator. Okay, means cos of x, instead of cos of x we have to write it as x minus 3. Whatever the angle is at denominator we have to adjust at numerator. That's why we have to adjust x minus a. Okay, that is x minus a and plus a. In this way we have to adjust, and therefore our integration I equal to cos of x minus a and plus a by adding and subtracting a, and at denominator sin of x minus a. Okay students, so at at numerator by using the formula cos c plus cos d, cos c plus cos d, the formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into into cos of c minus d upon 2. Okay, the formula is that. Therefore, by using formula, that is cos x minus a plus a, cos c, here by not cos c plus cos d formula, we have to use the formula here cos of a plus b, that is cos a cos b, by using the formula cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, by using this formula. Okay students, so here cos of x minus a cos of a minus sin of x minus a sin of a upon sin of x minus a with respect to x. Okay, so here now by separating the terms we will get, that is cos of x minus a upon sin of x minus a into cos of a with respect to x. Directly now we consider their limits also separating. By separating the terms, let us take their integration separately. Now sin of x upon a into sin of a upon sin of x minus a with respect to x. Okay students, so here sin of x minus a get cancelled. Okay, and now the integration is cos upon sin is cot of x minus a into cos of a with respect to x. Sin get cancelled, and integration of sin of a with respect to x. Okay, now this cos of a as a constant, keep it outside, and integration of cot of x minus a with respect to x minus sin of a as a constant and integration of 1 with respect to x, and now its integration I equal to, that is cos of a integration of cot of x minus a that is log of sine of x minus a. Log of sine of x minus a minus this sine of a as a constant and integration of 1 with respect to x is x. Hence, our final answer, that is integration I equal to cos of a log of sine of x minus a minus x into sine of a, x into sine of a plus constant of integration c. In this way, we have solved this problem. The next problem is that integration of, evaluate the integration of sine of x minus a upon cos of x plus b with respect to x. Okay students, so here whatever is the term at denominator, means the angle at the denominator is x plus b and the angle at numerator is x minus a. So whatever is the angle at denominator, we have to adjust the angle at the numerator. So here we can adjust the term, this x minus a we can write in terms of x plus b, that is x plus b minus, that is minus a minus b, minus a minus b. So this is, that is, see students, so here x plus b minus a minus b, that is minus a plus b, again that is twice b. So we have to add and subtract b. So this is not suitable for us. Now another way we can adjust, that is x plus b minus, this is minus b and plus a, minus b plus a. Also now see here we have to adjust x minus a. So x minus a, x, and that is plus minus minus a. Here plus b minus b. The term get cancelled, plus b and minus b. And this is nothing but x minus a. So we can write x minus a in this way in terms of x plus b. Okay. So here we can write our integration I equal to sine of, that is sine of x minus a in terms of x plus b minus b plus a, minus b plus a, and upon cos of x plus b with respect to x. So students, by using formula, which formula here we have to use? The formula at numerator we have to use, that is sine of a minus b. Sine of a minus b. The formula is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Okay students, so here a is x plus b and b is b plus a. Okay, and therefore this is equal to integration of sine a minus b, that is sine a, that is sine of x plus b cos of a plus b or b plus a, whatever, minus cos of x plus b into sine of a plus b. Okay students, upon cos of x plus b, upon cos of x plus b with respect to x. So now by using the separating the terms, separate the terms, and now directly take the integration separately. That is integration I equal to, that is sine of x plus b into cos of a plus b upon cos of x plus b, cos of x plus b with respect to x, minus integration of cos of x plus b into sin of a plus b upon cos of x plus b with respect to x. Okay students, so let us see here cos of a. In first integration, cos of a plus b is the constant term, so take it outside while solving the integration. So cos of a plus b as a constant, and this sin of x plus b upon cos of x plus b is tan of x plus b, tan of x plus b with respect to x, minus this sin of a plus b as a constant, keep it outside, and cos of x plus b, cos of x plus b get cancelled, and integration of 1 with respect to x. Okay students, so here cos of a plus b, integration of log tan of x plus b, that is by using formula, that is log of sec of x plus b, log of sec of x plus b, minus sin of a plus b, integration of 1 with respect to x is x plus constant of integration c, and this is our integration. Okay students, in this way we have to solve the problem. Okay, now the next problem is evaluate the integration. The next problem is evaluate the integration, that is integration of 1 upon, evaluate the integration of 1 upon sin x into cos x plus 2 into cos square x with respect to x. Okay students, we have to solve this problem. So here cos x is there, cos x is there. So let us solve the integration. Let I equal to integration of dx upon sin x into cos x plus 2 into cos square x. So common out cos square x from both the term at denominator, we will get integration I equal to dx upon, so common out cos square x, the term cos x is there, that's why that will sin x upon cos x plus 2. Okay students, and now this is dx upon cos square x, and that is equal to 1 upon cos square x, that is sec square x, sec square x dx, sin x upon cos x is tan x plus 2. Okay students, now see how the integrand we have simplified. Now if we substitute tan x equal to t, then differentiation of tan x is sec square x, and hence the problem is now very simplified form, we can solve it easily. Now to solve this integrand, now give the substitution, that is put tan of x plus 2 equal to t, and now whatever is our substitution, please differentiate it. The substitution is tan x plus 2, now differentiation this. Differentiation of tan x is, that is sec square x. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x plus differentiation of 2 is 0, and differentiation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. That is differentiate 1 with respect to x. We get. Okay, and hence now shift the term that side, we will get sec square x dx equal to dt. Sec square x dx equal to dt. Okay students, now put the values in given integrand. Suppose this is our integrand r. In integration put the value the integrand is sec square x dx upon tan x plus 2. So at numerator sec square x dx, the value, that is, we have found out the value is dt, and that is dt. The value is dt upon tan x plus 2. We have put tan x plus 2 equal to t, and that is t. Okay students, now 1 upon t with respect to dt is by direct formula, that is log of t plus constant of integration c. Resubstitute the value of t, and that is log of tan of x plus 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay students, in this way we have to solve the problem. Okay, now the next problem is evaluate the integration. Students, we are solving the problems from exercise 3.2a, and the question number 2. The problems are quite difficult, and so write down these problems. I have already told you that write down all the problems in the video in your from video to your notebook. Okay, and please try again and again till you understand, and if you have difficulty then ask me. Okay, the next problem is that evaluate the integration of tan of 3x into tan of 2x into tan of x with respect to x. Okay students, so here first simplify the problem. To simplify the problem, let's consider I is the integration tan of 3x, tan of 2x, tan of x. So students, we know that tan of a plus b formula. Tan of a plus b formula is that is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, so here we can express 3x in terms of 2 and 1, and therefore this is tan of 3x equal to tan of 2x plus x, that is. And now by using our formula tan of a plus b, that is tan of 2x plus tan of x upon 1 minus tan of 2x into tan of x. Tan of 3x, now shift the term to that side, we will get tan of 3x equal to tan of 3x into 1 minus tan of 2x into tan of x, and that is equal to tan of 2x plus tan of 3x. Okay, now this is tan of 3x into 1 equal to tan of 3x minus tan of 3x tan of 2x into tan of x equal to tan of 2x plus tan of x. Okay students, now first we simplify the problem and then we solve. Now shift the whole term to that side and tan of 2x and tan of x to that side. We will get tan of 3x minus tan of 2x minus tan of x equal to tan of 3x tan of 2x into tan of x. Okay students, so integration of this term tan of 3x tan of 2x tan of x equal to integration of this. Okay, hence our integration is I equal to integration of tan of 3x minus tan of 2x minus tan of x with respect to x. Now take the integration of each term separately. We will get integration of tan of 3x with respect to x minus integration of tan of 2x with respect to x minus integration of tan of x with respect to x. Okay, now integration I equal to integration of tan of x is log of sec of x, and therefore that is log of sec of 3x. But student, this 3x is again differentiable function, that's why its differentiation is 3, and therefore divide by 3. Now integration of tan of 2x is log of sec of 2x. 2x is again differentiable function, that's why differentiation is 2 and divide by 2, minus integration of tan of x is log of sec of x, directly the formula, and plus constant of integration c, and this is the integration of given problem. Okay students, the next problem is that 5 minus 3x into 2 minus 3x raised to minus 1 by 2. So we can write the problem integration, that is 5 minus 3x into 2 into dx. Now shift 2 minus 3x upon, that is 2 minus 3x raised to 1 by 2. 1 by 2, that means the square root. Hence that is 5 minus 3x with respect to x upon 2 minus 3x, that is square root, that is 2 minus 3x with respect to x. So students, here the square root of 2 minus 3x is the term that we have to substitute. Okay, so here put 2 minus 3x equal to t. In this problem, put 2 minus 3x equal to t. Okay, and therefore whatever is our substitution, differentiate it, and the differentiation is differentiation of 2 is 0 minus 3 as a constant, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 equal to dt by dx, and hence we get minus 3 dx equal to dt. Okay students, by using this. And now our integration I equal to integration of 5 minus 3x upon square root of t. 2 minus 3x is t, and with dx, that is minus 3 dx equal to dt, and therefore dx equal to, this implies dx equal to dt upon minus 3. Dx equal to dt upon minus 3. This is dt upon minus 3. Okay, and hence we will get minus 1 upon 3 integration of 5 minus 3x with respect to t upon square root of t. But see students, here 5 minus 3x. So convert this term. We will get integration of, that is minus 1 by 3, 5 as it is, minus 3 into the value of x. From here, as we substitute 2 minus 3x equal to t, we get, that is 2 plus t equal to 3x, and therefore 2 plus t upon 3 equal to x. This is the value of x that we have to put here. Okay, this value of x we have to put here. Okay students, so here the integrand become 3 into the value of x is 2 plus 3 or 2 plus t upon 3 minus 3x whole the value of dt upon square root of t, and this is the integration, that is minus 1 upon 3 integration of 5, this 3 get cancelled, minus 2, 5 minus 2 plus minus t, and upon that is square root of t with respect to t. Okay, and hence the integration I equal to minus 1 by 3 as a constant, 5 minus 2 is 3 minus t upon square root of t with respect to t. Okay students, so here the integration is minus 1 upon 3 as a constant, take the integration separately, that is 3 upon root t minus that is t upon root t with respect to t. Okay students, so let us simplify the terms. Minus 1 by 3, okay, dt upon root t that is integration of 3 t raised to minus 1 by 2 with respect to t, and t upon root t is root t with respect to t, and now take its integration I equal to minus 1 by 3 as a constant, take 3 as outside, integration of t raised to minus 1 by 2, that is x raised to n formula, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, that is t raised to minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1, minus that is t upon square root of t, and that is square root of t, that is t raised to half, and this is t raised to 3 by 2, that is 3 raised to half plus 1 upon half plus 1 plus constant of integration c, and the calculation is there minus 1 by 3, 3 as a constant, t raised to minus half plus 1 is half upon half, minus t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus constant of integration c, and hence the integration I is minus 1 by 3 minus 3 into 2, that is 6 into square root of t raised to half is square root of t, minus 3, this is 2 by 3, t raised to 3 by t means t into root t, and that is plus constant of integration c, t raised to. Now resubstitute the value of t. What is the value of t? The value of t is here, that is value of t is 2 minus 3x. Okay, that is, suppose let us it is 1. So put the value, we will get minus 1 by 3, 6 into, that is square root of 2 minus 3x minus 2 by 3 into, that is 2 minus 3x into square root of 2 minus 3x and plus constant of integration c. In this way we have to solve the problems. Okay students, so let us solve just same the problem, or take the problem as a homework for you. The problem is that integrate x raised to 5. The problem is that integrate x raised to 5 square root of a square plus x square with respect to x. Students, in this problem, make the substitution, that is a square plus x square equal to t. This substitution is there, and then the problem will solve very easily. The next problem for homework is, that is integrate 7 plus 4x plus 5x square upon 2x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 with respect to x. Okay students, in this problem also substitute 2x plus 3 equal to t, and according to the substitution put the value of x here and here. You can solve the problem easily. Okay, the next problem is that integration of 1 upon x into log x into log of x. The problem is very easy. If you give substitution, that is log of x equal to t. For this substitution, the problem become very easy. Okay students, so please try to solve the homework problems. The 4 homework problems I have given you. Please try to solve it. If you have any difficulty, then ask me. Okay, and also the problems which are solved in this video, please write all these problems in your notebook and again practice for them. Okay, this is the homework problem. Okay students, we will continue for the next video.